Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty. How's everyone doing today? It is October 18th, 12:03 Eastern Standard Time. All right, so we had a lot of movers today, a lot of movers. I hope you guys enjoyed the setup this morning because we had some bangers this morning. All right, so let's get that. Let's get down to it. S&P 500. We are sitting at 44.82. It looks like it wants to has a date with 45. So let's or 45.85. We have that level up there first. But look at this to a T. What I say this morning today, I said these things are going to set up. I would love it to touch the 50. It's bouncing through. It broke a little through, so we're breaking through. MACDs are going to participate. They're kind of there. We're not 100% conviction there, but it's almost there. Okay. NASDAQ, much stronger conviction. The techs are up. Looks like we're getting a fresh MACDs. We broke resistance, touched the 50, and boom. How high can we go? So, it looks like the banks are high, man. Goldman Sachs is up $9. So if Goldman's up, this ain't going down. Apple's up another 57 cents. It turned around. The 10-year is at 159. So VIX is sitting at 1650. But it looks it probably wants to go 45. 45, I think is going to happen. All right, Russell. Russell was the weakest one going into it. We had a little bit of a sell-off right here. MACD showed you those weakness, but guess what's happening? It's forming a base. We have some demand coming in here, and the look is probably going to touch 2278. As long as the banks are strong, I think the Russell's probably going to come back up. Remember, Russell was banged. It just went off to the races. It's just kind of selling off, take some time off. So watch Russell. But Russell's going to come back up. This is going to come back now. This was the morning move, right? We set these up. And there's a lot of other stocks that participated with this. I'm going to dive into that. Now, is this going to hold in the afternoon? Is it going to hold after lunch? And is it going to hold at the closing hour? Okay, so I'm noticing a bit of on a different format. I use the hourlies as well. I'm noticing that we're probably coming to the end of this swing on the hourly. So more likely we're looking at 4480 to 4500 and to see if we're probably going to take a break there. So but for right now in 15-minute time frame, this looks banging. Okay, Alphabet. Google looks great. We set this one up perfectly. We said it's got to hold this 2800. It did, and the 50 fresh set of MACDs bouncing off the 50. This is textbook. We took out the highs of last Friday. And look at this. You had a banger from 28.25. Now, Alphabet, there is some resistance up here at this 28.47. It looks where it's stopping, but you just came shy of that, 28.45. So 28.25 to 28.45, you had a 20-point banger. Now it's lunchtime. Boom, you're done for the day. Can you make your 10%? Can you? You tell me. What do you think? All right, here we go. Amazon, we set this one up as well. Beautiful setup this morning, pre-market. Look, this is textbook bounce off to zero. We said it was going to bounce off 50, 33.94. Went up as high as this. Where did we go? As high as this 34.30. So we do have some resistance up here. 34.40. We have some resistance on there. Okay. But can you make some money on this thing? We're looking at these levels. Yeah, I think we could. Let me fix this. So we could. All right, here we go. What was it? 38.98 to 33.28. Absolutely. Fresh set of MACDs is bullish. Now, this isn't as strong as these other ones, right? As that one. But it's Amazon. Remember, these FANGs announce earnings not this week, but next week. We got the chips up this week. All right, Tesla banging. However, there was no really trade here for me to get into this thing, but it's nice to see it go up. I was hoping to get it closer to the 50, fresh set of MACDs, and this thing is banging. Looks like it wants 880 to the upside, but we want the highest probability trade. And the way you're going to get the highest probability trade is a bounce off the 50, fresh set of brand new MACDs. but let it come back to the 50. I'm just going to sit and wait on Tesla. ISRG, I called this one out, looked weak. The MACDs told me there was weakness. We broke zero. And again, look at that. We sold off. So no need doing this. Let's trade what the market's doing. Market's going up, so we trade what's going up. But ISRG, let it drop, let it drop, let it drop. Let's move on. Chipotle announces earnings Thursday. So, like I said, it looked a little bit weak over here, but I said it was going to base, and it's basing going back to the 50. So that was a trade. If you wanted to take that, and that made sense to you, that's something you could have taken. And again, where are we going to? We're holding the highs here of their 1848. And then you have this high of 1854 to really get it going. But it announces earnings. So just watch this one. Are they going to take it up? Are they going to run it into earnings as a clue? If they are, you want to join in the fun. Or is it going to stay here and just stall here till Thursday? Keep an eye on it. Okay. Let's go into MicroStrategy, Bitcoin strategy. Okay. So again, we saw weakness. This thing ran holding around the 50. Looks like it wants to base, but no clear conviction here. So just keep an eye on it. Let's move on. Shopify, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gave you the setup this morning. Look at this setup. Beautiful, beautiful. We had a huge rally at 2 days of rest, and it's off to the races. We open up higher. We bounce off the 50. You got them fresh out of MACDs, and you're gone. So let's say you got into the trade right here at 1430. Can you make some money? 1449. That's 19 points. All we're looking is for some wins, a base hit. That's all. Base hit, not home runs, base hits. Can you do it? Yes, you can. All right. Netflix right here. We said this was basing. Basing. This is a divergence, very bullish right here. So this low this low is higher than that low, right? But this low is higher than that one. So that's called a divergence. We're going to see if it breaks out 633. If it breaks out 633, got 639. If it takes out 639, got 650. All right, this is the home run, guys. Home run. I shared this with my chat group. Here we go. ROKU, basing, textbook, right there, textbook. Fresh out of MACDs, broke the 50. You're into those trades at 326. So we got into those trades this morning, and we're sitting right now in what's called profits. All right. We're currently sitting at what's this, 337. We have this level up here, 339. So watch it at that level. I'll probably looking to sell up there and roll up, but this is a killer trade. Great way to start the week. Okay, Nvidia, another good trade. We said this was beautiful, same as ROKU, and we're sitting right here, ROKU, right here, fresh out of MACDs and breaking out, and it's gone. Nvidia chips are reporting this week. It looks like they're going to run it up to this week. Mercado Libre, another one we gave. Wow, bangers. Again, fresh out of MACDs, bounce off the 50. You're gone. Broke resistance. Bye. See ya. Bye. And what do we got the upside? We got this 1600. So watch that. Apple, same type of thing. Divergence took out 144. I've been telling you this one, and it's gone. Fresh to the MACDs. Watch it. It still looks like it wants to run. Apple doesn't move that much, but it does move, but it looks good. Oil stock ran up to 225. I said that it ran up. Okay, let it set up. It's pulling back a little bit. Just watch it. Okay, let's move on. Goldman Sachs, boom, banging. Banks are up. XPX is not going down, guys. All right, Affirm. I said this one out. This will look weak at the open. Look at that. Fresh set of MACDs, broke the 50, and it's gone, guys. Gone. Look at that. 147 to 159 and keeps going. Look at that. They're buying this one up. Woo! Off to the races. It's still like it still wants to go. Wow. Do not chase. But you want to get into it close to the 50. And here we are. All right. Upstart looks good. It kind of rallied down. I like Upstart. Yeah, fresh out of MACD, so you want to take the trade back up to the 50. There it goes. And HubSpot, I'm just watching this one because I like this one. I haven't traded it yet, but I will. First thing I do, I just want to study it, but I like the moves on this thing. But other than that, that's all we have, guys. So, all righty. What a doozy. All right, guys. If you like what I'm offering you here, do me a favor. Give me a like. Give me a message. If you don't like me, say you don't like me, whatever. But let's go green this week. What do you say? All right, guys. Take care. And I'll see you tomorrow. Stay green.